Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at how to convert text to speech, and this approach we're going to use a website to convert our text to speech. So one may ask, why should we convert text to speech? So sometimes you may want to do presentations and you have some text articles that you would want to convert to speech, or you would as well want your computer to read aloud to you. So this is very handy. You have to, in this video, you're going to know how to convert the text that you have, then you convert it to speech. So, and the approach we're going to use is to use a website. So for this, let's head over to Google and search for OneDrive. So on our OneDrive, we would also want to go ahead and search and click on the first result. So on the first result, will be presented with the Microsoft OneDrive Personal Cloud Storage. So here you can either sign in, or you would need to have an account already, a Microsoft account already. So in this, you may want to create an account. So because I have a Microsoft account already, I do not need to create one. But if you wish to create one, all you have to do is to come to create one, and it prompts you of some of the details which is needed. Then you can use an existing email, or you can use a phone number instead, or you can as well use a new email address. So you can create a new email address. But because I have a Microsoft account already, so I would want to go back and sign in. So on the sign in page, I would want to enter my details, and let me do that. Now click on next. And on this page, I would want to include my password. I'll click on next. So here it says stay signed in. So if you want to stay signed in, you click on the yes. But if you don't want to stay signed in, you can click on no. For me, I don't want to stay signed in, so I'll click on no. Okay, so now here we are on the OneDrive cloud storage. So this is our OneDrive cloud storage. So, and what we want to do is to head over to the new, and we want to create we want to open the OneNote notebook. So you can either do that here, or you can come over here and click on the box, and then you click on what? OneNote. Okay, so the component we want to use is OneNote. So let's go ahead and select OneNote. All right, so our OneNote should be loaded, and all that we want to do is to create a note. So let's say you have an article, or you have a post, or you have a letter that you would want to read aloud. So here you are expected to post it on the OneNote text box. Okay, so while it loads, let's hope that it loads faster. So okay, so this is OneNote keeps you organized. So let's skip this. All right, so here we are on the OneNote user interface. So here we can title our page. Let's say we would want to call it our first page. Our first page. Okay, so now we would want to also come down here to write our first text. So this is our first text, and please don't forget to leave a like. So this is just a dummy text that I came up with instantaneously. So now we have this dummy text. Okay, let me try and write more. Okay, so I believe these texts should be enough for us to demonstrate for demonstration purposes. So now, since we would want to convert these to speech, let's go over to the headings and let's choose the view. Okay, so under the view, we would want to see immersive reader. So the immersive reader helps us to read. So let's go ahead and click on immersive reader. All right, so here we are on the nodes that we've just written, and it is this interface that would want to read our text on. So here there's a button which says play. So let's go ahead and click on play.
This is our first text, and please don't forget to leave a like. The place where camels sleep is called what? What is the capital city of Egypt?
Okay, so that is a good text to speech. So that is a very good text to speech. It doesn't really tell that this was read by an AI. All right, so this is a good one. So one other thing which you would want to do is to record the text, the speech while it is being spoken. So what we will need for that would be the voice recorder. So let's go ahead and search for the voice recorder on our Windows 10. So let's go over and search for voice recorder. Voice recorder. Okay, so the voice recorder is here. So let's go over and hit the voice recorder. Okay, so I have my voice recorder here. I've done other recordings, so I want to delete some of these recordings. Okay, delete. I want to also delete these, and also want to delete these, and I want to delete these. Okay, so it's fully deleted. So here you can record, but if you record these, it will require you to have an input device. So, but then we would want to record our system stereo mix. So for that, let's go again to search for audio settings or sound settings. Okay, so sound settings. All right, so let's click on sound settings. So under our sound settings, you would realize that, let me get these sound settings. Yes, so under our sound settings, you would realize that our input is on a USB audio, so we would want to change these to a stereo mix. All right, so this is going to be a stereo mix. So in case you don't see this stereo mix here, you can always go to manage sound devices and you add your stereo mix in the input devices. All right, so now we've set our input device to stereo mix. So the stereo mix is a kind of way of recording the audio which is coming from the system. So now let's start to record our voice or our speech again. So let's hit the record, and here let's go ahead and click here and say play.
This is our first text, and please don't forget to leave a like. The place where camels sleep is called what? What is the capital city of Egypt?
Okay, so now we should stop. Okay, so since we are done, let's go ahead and play our text, our speech.
This is our first text, and please don't forget to leave a like. The place where camels sleep is called what? What is the capital city of Egypt?
Okay, so that is a good one. So you may want to also trim the parts which are not needed. So you can click on trim, and here you can drag up to this point and also this point, because that is where we started. So you can either save, okay, or you can also let's go ahead and save. You can update original or you can save a copy. So let's update original. So let's see.
This is our first text, and please don't forget to leave a like. The place where camels sleep is called what?
Okay, so that's very nice. So that is how to record your audio, guys, and this is a very straightforward thing to do, but at the same time, if you would want to so our recording is on what format? Is on M4A. So, and then if you would want to convert the format of this audio to, let's say, an MP4 or an MP3, you would require another software, which Audacity is a good software for that. You can use Audacity to convert your audios. So I hope you guys like this. I hope you like this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button for more videos like this. All right, thank you.